Hello, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am also fine. My name is Maliha Khan. Today's my topic is my favorite teacher. Everyone has favorite teacher. Teacher always must inspire and motivate his students. Teacher teaches us how to respect the elders. Now, I'm talking about my favorite teacher. Asadul Islam Rajon sir is my favorite teacher. He teaches us English. He speaks in English with all students. He is very punctual and kind person. He is very smart and sharp also. He is very intelligent. He is an ideal person. He explains everything easily and funny. He is honest person. Everyone likes him very much. Well, my dear friends, I would like to finish here today. Thank you very much. See all of you again in another day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.